we are working on my 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle. But we've done a lot more work between this episode and the last. We've taken the front fenders off and we have taken them completely down to the bare metal. Hey, you forgot to say subscribe and like. Okay.
What was it? Ooh, there you go. There we go. That is curved a little bit. See, somebody tried throwing some sealant in there because it was leaking.
So we've taken the roof down to the bare metal, and we've used a paint stripper instead of grinding it down. It seems to have worked fairly well, but it did take a lot of elbow grease scraping it off. And then we've taken the windows out, and we had to cut around the seals and pop them out from the inside. So we have decided to take the whole car down to the bare metal instead of just sanding it. Since the white paint has been chipping off of it, we decided that it might be a better decision to go ahead and take it all the way down, because in a couple of years, if the white paint started chipping off underneath the new paint, it would ruin the whole paint job. So whenever we took off the front fenders, we had to unbolt them from the inside of the hood. There was maybe 5 bolts holding each of them on. And we're going to sand the insides of them, and we're going to put an undercoat spray under the fingers and in the finger wells. That way it will look all nice and clean. So I forgot to mention, we have already primered and sanded the hood. It's ready for wet sanding, and then it's ready for paint. It's coming out. Don't break it, get a Phillips.
So, yeah. You have to go from the trunk. There's bolts back there.
So my plans are to take the dash out and to paint it the body color, the same color as the body, which will be the yellow color. And these little vents right here, I'll paint them white, and then the little glove box door, I'll paint it white as well. I believe it will look better, and it'll help from having to replace it since it's all cracked.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
So right now he's taking out the glove box.
And he's using a Phillips screwdriver.
Yes.
Well, I knew that.
Sounds like you did. I need to screwdriver.
I believe you gotta go in here, in the trunk, right up here. There's bolts. Is there anything out over here?
No.
If you guys take all that,
Oh yeah, there is. There's like 3 bolts right there.
No, not there. We have to look all the way up there. So right now he's taking out the inside bolts, or the bolts that are on the inside of the hood that connect the dash to the car. Once we get those out, we should be able to take the dash out.
This bug is really bright.
oh, that's another one. That's washer. Oh my. Can't get to that one. What's gonna get it? Nope. I think that's also gonna take it. Look at me. Yeah, right here. Look at the bolt. Look at it. Just even okay. Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, I think there's bolts.
I know it looks like we've ruined the bug, but this is just the beginning of a new era. And stay tuned for the next episode, and it was great having y'all this time. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.
And also, if you haven't already, please watch part 1. Thank you. Bye.
You said you're a big blooper.
Coming off that hold the. Oh. And we decided, well, we tried for the top part to. You might need to redo that.
Yeah.
Front fenders, and we got them completely to bare metal. And then we started taking the paint off the top, and we have took the top, we have read it. You forgot to say subscribe and like. You ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
So we've also taken the metal off of the top. We used a paint stripper instead of trying to grind it down. It seems to have worked mostly. It was a lot of elbow grease and hard work. Then we took the windows out. We had to cut around the seals and pop them out from the inside. Now that most of the windows are out except for the door windows, we can hopefully...
You just hiccuped. He's still hiccuping over there. It just ruined the whole shot.
Sorry.
It's going so well too.
Go ahead and...
Okay, let's re.
So, what was I going to say?
I don't know. Let's redo that.
Hello there.
No. Oh, come on! You're still hiccuping. What are you doing there, Destiny?
I don't know.
What? You're weirding me out.
Am
Oh.
I?
Oh no. Oh.
Right there.
What are you doing?
Explain your ideas.
So, I plan on taking the dash out and painting it the yellow body color. And then,
Come on.
I'm gonna redo it. My plans are to take the dash out and to paint it this yellow body color. And
Come on.
I know that this looks like we have ruined the bug, but it's just the beginning of a new journey for it.
Wow, let me put this up.
The dash is finally out. It took a few more bolts than we originally thought, but it's out!
Yay!